Hi, I'm Sophia from Hamline Homes. I'm a sales executive. My biggest challenge would be stumbling and having a mind blank when I'm on camera.
Do you want to live beautifully? Let me tell you how. There's an amazing development of 39 townhouses in East Victoria Park, an amazing little urban village designed by 4 of the most outstanding architects in Perth. Each of them have designed a different precinct that's used different colourings, an array of textures and an array of different designs that'll suit your lifestyle and your needs. The best part about it, we can customise these townhouses to suit your lifestyle. If you'd like to know more, please let me know and I'm happy to have a chat.
Hi, I'm Melissa. I am from Red Socials, a digital marketing agency in Perth. My biggest challenge on camera is losing my message because I get stressed and my mind wanders like that. Hi, I'm Melissa from Red Socials, and today I just wanted to tell you my why. Red Socials was started because I invested thousands and thousands of dollars in digital marketing campaigns that just didn't work. The biggest mistake I made with my digital marketing campaigns was not being in control of it. I never want to have any business owner go through this because of the strain and the stress it puts on your business. It also takes away your reason for wanting to do what you do. Let me know your why in the comments down below, and I look forward to chatting soon.
Hi, I'm Kerry Burman and my business is Burman Finance Solutions, and my biggest fear or stumbling block when talking on video is actually refining my message and keeping it that instead of that. Are you in the market to buy a property but you keep missing out? Here's what you need to do to have a better chance of being successful in the current market. 1, pre-approval. Not necessarily the formal bank pre-approval, but just sit down with somebody and discuss your overall position and make sure that you are ready to go to market. Number 2, set goals, make a plan. So if you sit down and discuss your situation with someone, they will be able to tell you, if you're not ready now, what you need to do to be ready for the market. Number 3, jump in. If you know you're ready and you've been through your scenario with a professional, then you just need to jump in. The market is really hot at the moment, so you don't want to miss out on the opportunity because you just keep hanging back. So if you're not sure where to start, just reach out and I'd be happy to chat with you more about it.
Hi, I'm Stephen Pelosi, Managing Director of Hamline. My biggest challenge would be focusing on actually getting content produced and not worrying about all the technology and making sure it's perfect. Quality design and craftsmanship are often confused with price and client budget. But there is a disconnect between price and quality. However, there is no substitute for high quality design, architecture and craftsmanship when creating a premium home. At Hamline, we build quality homes with the attention to the details that matter. Architecturally designed and crafted homes starting from $500,000 with an attention to craftsmanship at your budget. It's a service you cannot get with a large builder and project approach. Craftsmanship is a quality that is refined, honed, and practiced over the length of a career. I'm Stephen Pelosi. I've been a registered builder for 22 years. Me and my team understand the fine details required in delivering a premium home you will love.